Hey everyone, Melissa here. Why did I start my travel channel? Well, the first time I traveled on my own, I was 18 years old, and I may age myself a little, but back then there were no travel apps. I don't even think Expedia existed back then. So we had to figure everything out through real life trial and error. I always say that traveling is the best way to learn, and I encourage everyone to go to at least one new place every year. Now, if you've watched a few of my videos, you'll know that I like to pack in a lot on every trip, and that's because, well, we may never go to that place again. And given that most of us are limited in terms of time and budget, being able to do that takes some clever planning. Now, my goal here is not to become your travel agent, but rather to give you the tools and resources to help you plan your own travels and create lifelong memories along the way. So what do you get by subscribing to my free channel? Well, you have at least one new video every week that's packed with either travel planning information or a review of one of my trips where I show my itinerary and put focus on must-dos or unique experiences. I also include the links to excursions that I've either done myself or that have 5-star reviews so that you can easily check those out and potentially book them for your next trip. On that note, I hope you subscribe to the channel, watch a few videos, and please share them across your socials so that we can help grow our travel buddy community and make sure that we're always ready to go.